how to change opacity in any video on CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change and adjust opacity in CapCut. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the CapCut app on your phone, and now here, once you're inside the CapCut app, simply tap on new project, and here simply import the video that you would like to edit. And now here, once you have selected the video, just tap on the add button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you have added the video to your timeline, simply select the video which you want to change the opacity to. So here I'm going to simply select the video, and here once you have selected the video, simply scroll through the options at the bottom, and there you can see the option labeled as opacity. So simply tap on it, and here you will get the sliding option. So here you can use the slider to decrease or increase the opacity, and there you go. That's how you can change opacity in any video on CapCut. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.